So dear viewers, spectators, welcome back to the second half of the match. The match resumes. Soigao 0, Diabrugo 0. This is the second half of the match. What would you like to say? What about the predictions, sir? Tonight's match now here is going on.
50-50 chances.
50-50 chances. You can predict now who will win?
It's very difficult to predict.
Okay.
So this is just the beginning of first.
Okay.
Second half.
You think it's whether the chance sound is coming or not? There it is once again. Other side, this side is Soredora. Other side is Diabrugo side.
Yes. Now the side
Opposite to us, to the far side. And the yellow card is produced. The one player booked there from Soigao. This player, jersey number 9, has been booked. Illegal attack has been booked, and they have the free kick for Diabrugo Nasa.
Yes, another chance for Diabrugo.
This sounds.
Yes.
Okay. As an should take a nice move now
nice
from here onwards. This side, Soigao.
Well repelled.
So we'll see now. We'll be able to see now clear some scenes from Diabrugo. Their attacks.
Yes. Contacts in
This side, Diabrugo.
From both the team.
Otherwise,
well defended.
Yes, we found that time that Diabrugo was too strong, but could not, put the ball into the net. সুন্দৰ খেল চলিছে দুইটা দলৰ মাজত ডিব্ৰুগড় আৰু ছয়গাঁৱৰ মাজত দ্বিতীয়াৰ্ধৰ খেল কোনে খেলখনত জয়লাভ কৰিছে আমি এতিয়ালৈ ক'ব নোৱাৰো no one can predict now this side.
So very interesting match is going on between the two teams. So it has become very difficult.
So comment please,
regarding the so to say regarding the goals. Both the teams are equally well protected.
Then they are and they will be goal post
strong. Yeah, both the teams are equally strong. The triangle level best.
The goal post may be ideal one for the two teams there.
There is still chance.
This time Soigao is getting chance.
Forward for Soigao, yes. And this is a very vital part. So the
ideal part.
Yes.
Yeah, ideal part.
Yeah.
Ideal part.
Yes.
Of the
good heading.
Playground here. There it is once again in front of the goal box.
Still well protected. Okay, go on.
Who protected? The goalkeeper himself.
A very bad situation. Away from a very bad situation now. Nice clearance. Still okay.
Soigao from the side to blue card jersey. Soigao. And I got a greens from Diabrugo Lokazim.
A nice chance from Soigao, yes. Let's see how they avail this opportunity, yes.
Then you see there.
This is the first time the keeper is a little bit,
from Diabrugo.
Yes, from Diabrugo.
So that's idea. I would like to say that lies the blessing in disguise for the two teams now. This time Soigao is attacking, getting some chances.
Yes.
That time the previously Diabrugo got chance that side to get goals down, but could not push the ball into the net. That's good. What would I like to say? Some diseases are also for the two teams not getting chances.
Yeah.
Getting chances, but not.
No, they're not successful in scoring any goals.
Yeah, the shots not been converted into goals.
Yeah. They're not able to convert them. So for it's getting tougher and tougher. Yes.
Tougher and tougher now. We can. So better chance to come.
Yeah, better chance is always coming. Yes. The thing is how they avail that chance.
Yes.
Once again, so far, sir, now in the second half we can see Soigao is dominating Diabrugo.
This time Soigao dominating.
Yeah.
The first time Diabrugo dominated. Oh, but Soigao this time Soigao dominating. But this side not Soigao, sir. Diabrugo getting a chance here.
So intentionally the ball is out of the sideline.
So there is 50-50 chance for the two teams.
Yeah, 50-50 chance. Or there is another alternate also, so they will be getting a penalty shot also.
In the first half, we have already seen neither Diabrugo nor did
both the teams missed several
they played
shots.
They played aggressively.
They played well. They played
they played aggressively.
Very aggressively. They played very they tried up to their level best. But sorry to say that they were unsuccessful.
So some gifted chances may also come to get goals in front of the goal box. And the Soigao is taking now to get goals in front of the goal box of Diabrugo.
Still, once again, Yes, Soigam is coming forward. Yes, Soigam is still getting a chance.
Yes.
A good chance. Yes, and
What's
yes,
that?
yes,
Yes,
exactly. Coming
Forward Soiga, sir. Exactly.
having a beautiful chance now. Okay, a long pass. Okay, well,
Yes,
the
exactly.
chance is still there. Okay. Well cleared, yes.
Well cleared. Debruga. That's it was the goal post. But Soiga clearing it. Clearing the sideline for throwing, coming up for Debruga. Debruga to get a chance now in front of the goal box.
Once again, chance is coming for
Also right here.
Chance is coming for, okay.
And then, what is it? A handball. Yes,
Once again,
exactly. Chance.
Dibrugarh is
Should I
availing
say,
a beautiful chance now.
should I say the first vital chance for Debruga now?
Yeah.
Here in the second half. So, what is that? Just number 9 decide to 10. Is there any dispute? Is there any dispute? Yeah.
Now,
Yeah, that's number 10 to go forward with the ball now. The shooter to take a shot here. A small wall. Chance for Debruga gone in vain once again.
No chance.
Lost
Player
it.
number 18.
Yes.
Just shot the ball direct. He could not even pass it to his fellow man. And therefore it is missed.
There.
Okay. Oh, what?
Getting aerial out there. The striker player, Debruga player. Would like to say.
Clearance. Okay.
Then striker. And the wrap and tap.
One chance for.
Duita লোৱাৰ পাছত প্ৰচেষ্টা অব্যাহত ৰ'বা দ্বিতীয়ত গ'ল কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু সুযোগ পাই গ'ল কৰিব পৰা নাই so they must get some gifted goal now to go forward. Okay.
19% got over just.
There it is. Get a chance now for him. Yeah, once again, the Debruga getting a chance there. Soiga clearing well there.
Yes.
Wow, sir.
Yes, another chance for. Yes, sir. Yes.
Down for Soiga.
Beautiful chance. And then a
Wow,
shot.
sir.
Yeah,
Attack and counter the Debruga goalkeeper. Heroic attempt.
For
The heroic save, sir.
Dibrugarh, it has
The heroic
been a
save.
very,
This goalkeeper for
very
Dibruga
difficult
is doing the same duty.
Yes.
Almost
So
like
this is the first time he got
Soiga goalkeeper.
such a bad situation.
Yes.
Anyway,
But the goalkeeper is confronting the same situation here. The Soiga goalkeeper confronted that type of situation in the first half. The goalkeeper from Debruga confronting.
yes.
There now.
Now, see, still Dibrugarh is getting another chance now.
Near the sideline.
Long pass.
Yes, long pass, long shot. Debruga goalkeeper.
Well protected by the keeper. Yes, the keeper is worthwhile.
Soiga goalkeeper.
Worthwhile.
That's
yes.
exactly then.
That's what, exactly. Once again, Soiga is coming forward. Okay, yes. Still.
It's, I would like to say, they've become furious now.
Yeah, both the teams have become furious because
Furious.
equally.
I know ferocious move like that because the goalkeeper from that side.
Yes, nice.
Nice moves can be seen now from time.
Yeah,
This time
extra
onwards.
cuts can be seen. Extra cuts can be
Yes.
seen. Anyway, there is no development so far.
Yes.
Both the teams are unsuccessful in scoring goals. So both the teams are, 0-0.
Jojo.
Yes.
So should I say that it will end up in the draw now? The goalless draw.
Still they have
There
some
is chance.
time.
Yes.
Still they have
It's
time.
still could not less than 30 minutes.
Yes. Once again, yes, Dibrugarh has given a very nice clearance. And
There, the Debruga now.
but
And the chance is still there.
So nice.
Alive for Debruga players, but not working
Very nicely received. Yes.
as it was expected.
Nice. Okay, short passes, and then still.
The hopes are alive still for the two teams.
Yes.
Attacks and counter attacks.
Both the teams are doing quite well. Yes.
Yes.
Once again, Dibrugarh is getting an opportunity. Yes, still
So should I say
opportunity is been snatched away.
comprehensive attack?
Yes.
This is type of the
This
comprehensive
time
attack being
Saigon
made now.
is getting
There
another,
it is.
making another situation.
Yes.
Yes, and this is let's see what
The best progress is there, and
this is an
looking
English
at them
shot.
talking to you.
Yes, I was not expecting that, sir. I was expecting some
Should I say that
extraordinary cuts now.
that was going to premeditated shot,
Yes.
not a predetermined. The predetermined
so
shot was to save.
that is
I had
English
to
shot,
save
sir.
her. Yeah, I had to save her. I had to get a goal.
He had sufficient
Or to get a
time.
goal there.
He had sufficient time to
Yeah.
clear up the ball.
Then you see
Yes,
here,
once again.
long shot,
Okay.
and Marcy waited. The Suns are not
Once
coming.
again, Dibrugarh is having another opportunity.
In
Yes.
front of the goal box.
Short pass. Okay. Now once again, yes.
That's
Saigon.
should I say
Yes,
the
see, Dibrugarh is coming forward
yes.
with another chance. Yes, coming forward with another clearance. Yes, and this is beautiful.
Suns touchdown! Wow, stop!
What
What a save!
What a save!
Yes, the goalkeeper.
Really, the keeper is worthwhile.
Worthwhile.
His effort.
Yes.
A narrow escape.
Yes.
A narrow escape. So far both the teams are not successful in scoring any goals. Both are having 0 each.
You are going to the depth of the match now. They are also going
Nice.
into the depth of the match.
Once again, Dibrugarh is getting
Trying.
another opportunity. Yes.
Yes.
Chance. Beautiful chance. Yes. Long clearance.
Getting a fast move
Yes,
down.
another
this mess.
long pass and okay, well received. Yes,
They're going to
nice.
get
Saigon.
They're going to get now a close finish here.
Yes, close
From
finish.
here. One goal to make all difference here. Injury may be there. Attention of the medical bench. Eh?
An injury has occurred here.
The best one for the medical bench to go forward now. Yes, he is okay now.
He's
Standing
okay.
up.
He's
Okay.
So another advantage for Saigon. Yes, Saigon is taking another advantage. Nice pass. Okay.
Get a full-time mess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very strong match within here. Long
45
pass.
45
And
minutes.
let's see what the outcome comes in. Okay. Anyway, yes, another chance is coming for Saigon.
So you go there.
Yes, another chance. Still there is a chance. Okay, good push and pull is there.
The scenes are available here.
Long struggle.
Attacks
Long
and
struggle.
counters. Then
Long
they
struggle
are.
is going on. Yes, what a shot.
Suns.
Very strong shot, but missed it. The ball just slipped. Okay, once again, Dibrugarh is coming forward. Yes, Dibrugarh is getting another chance and long run is going on.
So one goal, certainly one goal will
Yes,
make much difference here.
yeah. One goal will make
That will
the
be enough
winner.
to win this match.
Yes. So both the teams are in that situation, do or die.
Do or die situation.
Yes.
That acid,
Okay.
that primordial acid test.
No achievements. Sir.
No achievements, yes.
Anyway,
Acid test for the players.
Yes.
The strikers for the two teams tonight
I
here.
think a yellow card has been issued.
And Theory once again. Booked.
Yes.
Second player has
Yeah,
been booked now.
Yes.
For which team? Deserve it.
This is I'm not
Yes,
sure
this is gonna from
for
Dibrugarh.
Okay. So another
Deserving a chance now.
advantage.
Deserving a chance. Soigao. Advantage for
Saigon is
Soigao.
having, yes.
This crucial side, sir.
Yes, crucial side.
It's a crucial moment also.
So this last part of the game
Yes.
will be a very important part, sir. And let's see whether this shot is one
Yes.
of the important shot. Okay, well
But lose
defended
shots,
by
huh?
Dibrugarh, yes.
Can
Okay, once
this type
again.
of shots
Now,
can't
well
penetrate.
cleared by Dibrugarh, and
Then it
the-
is. Yes, the goalkeeper to do his duty now
Yes,
here.
for the keeper.
And for the striker, this at the time that
Oh,
you can
what,
see the midfielders there.
Yes, nice.
They're doing their duty for the team.
What a miss. Okay, still.
Then here the stopper to do it.
Oh. Okay, long pass. Long pass for
Near the sideline.
yes. Almost the ball is still there is a chance.
So you can see
Chance
them.
is coming forward. Yes, for Dibrugarh.
You can see that.
Yes, another chance is coming
yes,
for
they
Dibrugarh.
are
Yes,
there.
coming forward.
Dibrugarh.
Coming forward.
Coming forward
with
now.
Yes, coming
Towards the goal
forward.
post
Let us
of
see.
Saigon.
And
Let us see what
exactly,
happens.
okay. We can see a lot of push and
Okay.
pull.
What happened,
Still,
sir? What is the drama?
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Yes, now Saigon once again. Saigon is coming forward. Coming forward with another chance.
Attack and
with
counter-attack, sir.
counter-attacks both
But
are equally there.
when Troy Gawet max gonna put the attack,
Yes.
then Dibrugarh
Okay, once again.
it will be the counter attack.
It's an ball has gone across
Yes.
the sideline, and the assistant referee has already waved the flag. It's a chance for Saigon.
So he has delivered it now.
Yes, yes.
No.
Yes, delivered as throw ball. Okay, once again, the ball has gone across the sideline, and this is.
And the players are not players.
Saigon.
Yes, players are not quite confident to get goals here. They're just playing.
They're-
Just completing
so
the formality. For what?
Both the teams are not comfortable right
Yeah.
Yes, another chance is coming.
Chance now for yes.
Yes, and then exactly.
That what a
Goal,
mistake.
but, you know,
Wow,
what a blunted mistake. What a blunted shot. Okay. This is a narrow escape, so to say.
It went through.
Yeah.
Like thunder.
Yes, I expected that this will be 100% shot, but
But by above the goalpost. That's gonna maybe get 6 inches
MLS shot.
high above the
MLS
goalpost.
shot, yes.
MLS.
Yes. This time Dibrugarh is
Then
coming
they are.
forward. Yes, let's
coming
see the
forward once
outcome
again.
from Dibrugarh
Try.
once again.
Yes.
Okay,
Who attacks
defended.
now?
Well
They are
defended.
Bluebird.
So this the ball has gone across the sideline. And
It is the fastest move ever.
Yes.
We have already seen here in this match, alright. The fastest move.
Yeah.
That's second. First half was quite
So,
insipid.
my dear friends and viewers, we are watching
First half was quite tasteless.
beautiful football
The
match,
spectacular
yes,
football lovers.
from Naharkat here, and this is the second half of the
You
match here.
you can see the umbrellas. They are adding some beauty here.
Yes,
Huh?
yes,
Those umbrellas
yes, correct.
adding
Yeah,
more
these
beauty.
are shades.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, once again, yes. Now Saigon is coming forward. Saigon is making the situation
Yes.
a little bit, improved.
Improvement,
Yeah, what
yes, they are
a short, long pass. Okay, still, there is a chance
So,
for Saigon. Another
It's
chance.
there.
Okay,
Yes.
the ball is
Not
just,
working. Tactics
pushed back.
not working. So plans not working.
Plans are not working. So better planning is
Yeah,
required.
yeah.
So this is
Need some
what is it?
need some kind of vital replacement. Some players here to
Yeah.
make some
For substitute, there is more.
Yes.
players. They can at least substitute someone.
substitutes.
Yeah. So that some better performance can be seen.
Some players seem to be tired here.
Yes, another chance for Dibrugarh. Yes. See, this is one of the last and fast.
Last and fast.
Yes. Okay. Yes, correct.
The goalkeeper
Okay,
there.
well,
He does his duty.
direct.
It's beauty.
Yeah, direct in the hand of the keeper.
Clearing the ball now.
Yes, and another chance. Let's see. Still, yes, another. Okay, yes, another chance is coming
Yes,
for
Sam.
Dibrugarh.
Oh, Dibrugarh now. Wow, the goalkeeper does his
Defended
duty.
by the keeper. Nice
Yes,
shot. Okay, another chance.
Dibrugarh getting
coming
one
for
chance
Dibrugarh.
more here.
Another chance is coming.
Consecutive 2 chances here.
Yes, continuously.
Continuously
Within
now.
seconds, within few seconds, yes.
Within few seconds,
They're not
lost
able to
now.
finish up. Yes, finish it
Okay,
up.
well cleared. Once again.
Okay, well cleared by Saigon. Now another chance for Saigon. Another chance.
We have understood the tempo.
Yes, yes, correct.
What is in between? What is in their heart now?
Yes.
Anyhow, they need to go here.
So both the teams are equally strong.
It's really
Both are,
strong, yes.
Expecting jersey number 9 and 15. Yes, nice pass. Okay.
Nice pass, yes, right there.
Pass, okay, well defended. Another chance.
Wow.
And mighty shot. Okay, just escaped. Narrow escaped. Narrow escape. So more opportunities are coming.
Yes.
So now another opportunity. Okay, this is. There is
Something maybe. What? An injury?
Injury maybe.
Injury occurring?
An injury maybe.
Yes.
A substitute.
Attention of the medical bench. He should go forward now to give some aid for fight. Oh, that's substitution as also. Tell you what about
So, anyway, short, the game has become more interesting.
interesting now, the last part of the match.
Because both the teams are fighting. They're trying their level best for a single shot to make a big difference. So far,
Close finish.
Dibrugarh is not able to score any goal.
So,
Nor Saigon is able to score any goal.
so the goalless draw in the expected.
So if this way the
This way
match
they play.
goes on,
Yeah,
they
goes
will
on,
have
yes.
some penalty shots.
No, there will be no penalty. So no extra time will be given. No, tiebreaker will be given. Followed.
Okay.
They will share the points 1-1. The winner team gonna get 3 full points when the match is drawn.
Okay.
Then got 2 points. 1-1. One is shared. They're going to share the points now. So that's it.
So it has become very tough.
They'll be quite happy.
Yeah.
If
It has
they
become very tough for both
Yeah.
the teams.
Ah.
Yeah. Both the teams. We cannot predict. Yeah. Once again, Dibrugarh is coming forward.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This
And
is push and pull.
Push and
Another
pull.
error.
Rough and tough.
Yes. Another error. Clearly, it's in a push.
and supporters from behind. The supporters they're shouting there.
Yes,
Loud,
yes.
loud.
This is the local team. Support is there.
So, sir, made a mess update, please. From the first half.
Say first
What's the goal was draw? Then the second half?
Both today's match.
So this match,
First half they were not success in scoring any goals. Both the teams are strong. Both tried their level best.
The second half, please give updates from the second half. Till now.
Till now. So to
This
say,
point of
sir,
time.
in the second half also they're not able to
Yeah.
score any goals.
Yeah.
But after getting so much repeated chances, both the teams have missed.
গতিকে চাৰে এইটোকে কৈছে প্ৰথমাৰ্ধত এই সুন্দৰ সুযোগ পাইছে পুনৰ গল কিপাৰে পচালে
Good clearance, yes.
Good
yes.
clearance.
Well done by Saigon.
এটা প্ৰচেষ্টা পাইছিলে সুযোগ এটা পাইছিলে কিন্তু ডিব্ৰুগড়ে গলটো কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে
Yes, other chances coming for Dibrugarh.
Yes.
Nice pass.
What a play. Another chance coming forward. Once again.
Okay.
High above the goal post.
Above the goal post. There is much chance here because the two players were just taking side by side. They were getting.
মই এতিয়া মেচখনৰ আপডেটটো দিছো প্ৰথমাৰ্ধত 45 মিনিটত কোনো এটা দলে গল কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম নহল বিশেষকৈ দুইটা দলে সমান যোগ পাইছিলে 6-7টা সুযোগ এটাও গল কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে দ্বিতীয়াৰ্ধত যথেষ্ট আক্ৰমণাত্মক খেল প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰিছে দুইটা দলে কিন্তু বহুত কিটা সুযোগ সৃষ্টি কৰিছে দুইটা দলে কিন্তু এতিয়ালৈকে গল কৰিব পৰা নাই খেলখন এতিয়ালৈকে শূন্য হৈ অগ্ৰগতি লাভ কৰিছে কাৰো গল হোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে অৰ্ধেক সময় ইতিমধ্যে পাৰ হৈছে ছেকেণ্ড হাফৰ
Yes, correct.
অলমোষ্ট half done.
Yes. So
Or
there's
the second half.
not much time left also. Yes, another chance.
বেছি
for
সময়
Saigon.
নাই আধা সময় আছে খুব বেছি
Another
20 minutes
chance. Saigon is coming. Yes. Another
not
chance.
more than 20 minutes left of the second half
Okay.
Punor yes on the ground
We
there
would see some
like
tapping sounds.
tapping sounds yes can be hard
Most probably
Could be
he's,
hard also.
injured. He has some sprains or pain. So, sir, a beautiful game is been seen here. Yes. Both the teams are very strong. We cannot predict anyone.
so they say they're enjoying
Yeah, they're
they're
enjoying.
practicing like that
Yeah.
exercising
Yeah, they're enjoying it.
for the next match
Yes, yes.
two teams
Okay, another
tonight
chance.
here
And let's see how they avail it.
এই পুনৰ এটা সুযোগ পাইছিলে কিন্তু গল কৰিব এইবাৰ ছয়গাঁৱে সুযোগটো নষ্ট কৰিলে ডিব্ৰুগড় ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি দিছে বলটো উলিয়াই দিছে
Dibrugarh is coming for clearance. Okay, well checked.
Here it is. Lasting towards goal post up there and from behind. Tapping sound from behind there. Just exactly clear. Foul in favor of the Dibrugarh side. Huh? Yes.
So by hook and crook,
By hook and crook to get the result.
Yes.
To saying the decision of the referee. It's not possible.
No, it's not possible.
Yeah, decision once given is given. It cannot be changed. Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
It's given the
So,
decision.
The referee is stuck.
Very strict. He should stuck with decision. Yes.
That's true.
Just number 9 there, and the goalkeeper.
This is an aimless
Aimless shot.
shot. At least he should focus on the keeper
Yes.
or in the goal post. So
It
this
gives-
type, a lot of opportunities have come.
This is so good. Gifted chance for a goalkeeper. No need to
Struggle.
go for a struggle. Then here, once again. So,
Yes,
this
other
seems-
chances coming for Dibrugarh.
so, sir, what should
So
I say?
many
The
chances are-
up and top now.
Yes, so much chances are being missed.
Last chance.
Yes. So they're getting continuously they're getting
Opportunities
chances for one after
cannot
another.
coming forward.
Yes,
Yeah.
one after another.
They are utilizing an unfair means now.
Yeah.
Huh?
So since it's last part, we can see a little bit of unfair means.
Yeah, and small amount,
Yeah.
small amount of unfair means to be applied.
Because
They're
both
playing now.
the teams have come with a big expectation. And by any means,
To win,
they
by
want
any
be
means
the
to
winner.
win, yes.
Yes, another chance is coming.
Then, yeah, once again tapping sounds, huh?
Clear.
And then
Okay, yellow.
player from the Dibrugarh team booked whether the yellow card been produced for him. Yeah, and the medical one is going forward to give him support there, lying on the ground here.
It will be better if another substitution comes.
Yeah.
Without even wasting much time. And this player requires a little bit of rest also.
The four persons have been already sensed. When we not the sense cannot fourth time. This is the fourth time to produce one yellow card here.
Yes.
One player booked once again here. This is time pass. Should I say that
Yeah, we can say that also. Sir.
the injury time will be added once again here? 2 minutes, 3 minutes will be added.
Anyway, the time does not permit
Yes,
anyone
yes.
or does not stop. So this extra time should be given, and it will be given. Suppose.
They're supposed to get chance now here from this time
Okay,
onwards.
anyway,
They get
this seem
Dibrugarh.
okay now, sir.
Which team will get the chance now?
Now-
This team from Soigao against Dibrugarh here
It will
from
be,
here.
another chance will be given for Soigao.
Soigao now.
So anyway, there is a substitutional sin there.
Yes.
So once again, Soigao is trying to avail
Yes. Team
this,
yeah, yeah.
beautiful chance.
Soigao.
They have tried several,
Yes.
unsuccessful shots. Let's see
Then,
this.
Once again, like
Okay,
that.
what? Another push and yes, another chances they're coming forward.
Yes,
Another
it is
chance,
still
yes,
there.
exactly. But
Chance is available. Chance remains. Still hopes
know,
alive. Huh?
it's an useless.
Useless. Still some hopes alive.
Yeah. So
For the both teams, yeah?
Still, we have some hope. A little hope is there.
Hope is there. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but the thing is that how they avail.
Hopes.
Yeah.
Hope to not to become lollipop then.
That's
Would you like to think that hopes are
Yeah.
getting like a lollipop? There.
Another chance. This is an
Would not go ahead at there. A very
good headers. Okay.
the goal post.
Not a perfect headers. Nice.
So side will end up in a draw.
Yes. Okay.
Then getting the sideline
player
to
is
throw in.
wondering where the ball has gone.
Mm.
Nice pass from Dibrugarh. Okay, once again the ball has gone across the sideline and this advantage for Dibrugarh. Yes, nice pass. Yes, coming forward with the adversal. Yes, nice.
Yeah, this side once again. Here it is
Very long
from
pass.
the Dibrugarh.
Very long pass.
Yes.
And it's really, well snatched away. Well defended.
It went to the packet. So yeah, also lost the
Still,
chance
once
there.
again,
It is
Dibrugarh
once
is having a
again.
chance and
Dibrugarh.
then- It was a good, strong shot. It was a strong
yes.
shot. Okay, but
But not straight to the goal post.
straight. It was a miss.
So it could have penetrated. Yeah, that's
I was expecting something nice from this player, sir.
expected supporters expecting to see one goal here.
So anyway, nothing seems easy.
Yes.
Everything is tough.
Everything is tough in here.
Very rough and tough.
You say you sick. So 20% already you have got. Yeah. Sorry. This is sir.
Dragon.
The dragonfly.
Like above our forehead.
Forehead.
Yes. Dragon is more comfortable watching it from above. All directions. Okay, another chance.
And the Suns is coming forward.
Yes.
For the two teams here now.
Yes.
They're fighting their lucks. Am I right, sir?
Okay, yes. Yes.
Not flourishing. Sir, what to say? There's luck simmering now.
Yes, yes.
পুৰি কেটলিত পানী বইল কৰাৰ দৰে হৈ আছে তেওঁলোকৰ অখাবিলাক নে হববিলাক কিন্তু হোৱা নাই পুনৰ এটা সুযোগ পাইছিলে কিন্তু কাৰ্যকৰী কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে they are applying the drone camera here to take the photograph video of the football match here being played between the two teams Soigaon versus Debruger Sports Association a big match being played.
Yeah, a very beautiful match.
It's not a big result.
Yeah,
it's coming
but
forward
no
now.
result, yes. So far, no updates regarding the winner.
So that's the only frustration for the supporters of the two teams here.
Yeah. So here we see supporters are there for both teams.
Not a single supporter is satisfied.
Okay.
And then a move could be seen
Another chance?
from there.
Okay, nice chance.
Once again, still the hope is there.
Still. Okay, keep on hoping, sir.
Yes, hope's like getting lollipop here.
Yeah. Okay. What a loss. Okay.
There it is, the goalkeeper.
It's an ideal, very nice decision for the player. Yes.
Down. That's like out.
Coming forward. Okay. Yes, another chance is coming for.
Soigaon, sir. Soigaon. Still hope is there for them. Right. Clear.
Actually, think that he was waiting for a decision.
Yes, sir.
He was
That's
expecting the decision.
He was too
outside.
late to take the decision, then the final decision.
Yes.
Was too late.
You know, assistant referee
Yes.
has not rigged
Yes, sir. Yes.
the
Yeah.
flight. And he, in that way, he wasted his time. Few seconds of
He
time.
lost his chance. He did not-
Fraction of seconds just wild away.
Yes, sir. He did not work like a busy back there.
Yes,
Okay. We're getting it switched on now.
I don't know what is going on.
Let us see what happens from that side. Taking goal, this corner being taken now. Then what happens?
See,
In front of the goal
what
box.
a wonderful save.
Wow, sir. Wonderful save.
Wonderful.
Same duty. Sir?
Only because of the keeper.
Because of the keeper then.
Big difference, sir. He has escaped
Two
from a
goalkeepers are the
yes.
same here. Same quality goalkeeper.
This is, you know,
Top quality.
Nice performance. Nice performance from the keeper.
Saving
Yes. He has saved
the team
whole
from the upcoming dance at this time once again to get a chance there.
Once again.
But
Nice
not
kick.
exactly Soigaon now.
Okay. Nice
Chance
kick.
coming
Nice
forward
kick.
once again there.
Once again,
Debruger and Soigaon.
Oh, this is
Wow. The match ending up a draw after some time. It's 8-10 already. So how many minutes remaining now?
I don't know.
It was one person from here, one official.
Not much time, sir.
Maybe 5 minutes,
Yeah, like
10 minutes, not
10
less than 10 minutes. Not less than, not more than 10 minutes. Wow, sir, they're crossing the sideline from here. So they cut that video now to make one video. On live now.
Yes, yes, you can.
মই লাইভটো কাটিছো অলপ বেটেৰীৰ অসুবিধা আছে আপোনালোকক তিনিজনে চাই আছে খেলখন চাই ৰঞ্জিত সন্দিকৈ ঋতু ৰয় প্ৰাঞ্জল কোঁৱৰ আৰু কোনোবা কোনোবাই চাই আছে মই লাইভটো এতিয়া সামৰিম কিছু সময়ৰ বাবে মই এতিয়া লাইভ নকৰিম ৰেকৰ্ডিং কৰিম ৰেকৰ্ডিংটো মই আপলোড কৰিম আপোনালোকে উপভোগ কৰিবলৈ পাব So they stopped the live video.
Yes, yes, you can stop. Let me see.
Let me see.
Nice pass.
Yes, move now, right now, form, yeah.
Yes, yes. Another chance. Yes, nice.
Still there is chance.
Nice chance, okay.
So, hope so, Khobani.
Yes. Yes, another chance is coming for Soigaon. Yes, Soigaon is coming forward. Yes, nice.
Yes.
Nice
Move once again. Been taken by Soigaon. Now counter attack. Winman now try.
Okay.
No, Soigaon
Okay,
exactly.
another chance.
Chance there for goalkeeper.
For the
He
keeper.
finishes his kind of touch.
At least the keeper should have, passed the ball. So Soigaon is also extremely doing well. Sir.
Yes.
Extremely doing well. Yes, trying to defend it. Okay, nice.
No chance to make a goal now from
Yes,
this time or from this point of time.
Both the teams are, struggling like anything.
Yes.
Yes, another chance.
Just
Another
moving,
chance, yes,
running,
fast.
rushing.
Rushing, yes.
They are not losing at last.
Yes, we are seeing the quick movements, yes. Fraction of seconds. Yes, another good chance is coming.
The Nas.
Beautiful chance.
Soigaon.
Golden chance. Yes, nice.
Soigaon, yes, there's the chance, bro. The gifted goal chance.
Okay.
Wow, saved, sir.
Well protected.
Well protected then.
Well protected.
Apart
Yes,
from the goalkeeper.
now this time
again, for De Bruyne now. Yes, counter attack.
Yes, nice pass.
Nice pass once again there. De Bruyne player.
Nice pass.
Chance.
De Bruyne. Yes,
It's a goal in vain once again there. There it is once again.
And this is a good chance.
No! Missed it. What a miss, son.
What a miss. Yes, once again, De Bruyne is taking the opportunity. Another chance.
And the chance there. Wow, chance.
Pitiful shot. Pitiful shot, sir. What a pity.
The feeling pity now.
Yes.
For the shooter.
Little difference.
God for the party, for the
Huge
shooter.
difference.
Chance is coming.
A substitution.
One after another.
Yes, so many chances.
Chances, one after another. No benefit.
Beautiful.
Beautiful
Presented, yes. Once again, Soigaon is coming forward. Let's see how they are. Yes, another chance for Soigaon. Okay, still there is a chance. Yes, still there is a chance.
সুযোগবিলাক নষ্ট কৰিছে দুইটা দলে পাইছে যথেষ্ট ভাল সুযোগ সুবৰ্ণ সুযোগ কোনো সুযোগবিলাক কাৰ্যকৰী কৰিব পৰা নাই bad luck for the two teams to say from this point of time.
Yes, Soigaon is coming forward.
That's Soigaon now. It is made for the Soigaon.
Yes, exactly a good situation can be seen.
Execution, just
Nice.
finishing.
Another finishing shot, maybe. Okay, another chance here.
It's a finishing, it's not
Nice
flourishing.
Yes, it's
Yes,
not
sir.
flourishing. Yes.
Not flourishing.
Yes, another chance. Yes. And this is
It should bloom like a flower here.
There's a chance.
Yes,
and
there is once again. Wow, what happened there?
Well cleared by De Bruyne.
Well cleared by De Bruyne from
And there is another chance.
clearing the sideline
The ball
from.
has gone across the sideline, and this advantages come for
Yes, sir. I'm cutting it. মই লাইভ ইমানটা সামৰিছো
Soigaon.
সময় নাই